Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear.
I'm so sorry. Let's go, let's go. Hi. Hi. Let's go, let's go. Game na, tara na. Let's go everybody. Tagal ng tatay. Let's go parents. Parang lang yun si Papa actually. Same. Cool everyone. Ang creepy naman. So creepy. Guys. Kain yarn. Saan yung lusutan? Hindi, sakay na tayo.
Sorry.
Hi guys. Ayun na. Bababa pala tayo. Ay, bongga. Ito eh. Wicked. Uy, may sound of music. No, galing tayong parking. Bumaba tayo. Ayan, dito kumakain sila. Dako. Uy, yung ganda naman ng video nila dito. True. Oh my God. Hindi ako na-inform na malamig pala dito. Open source. Ay, grabe na. Ay, CCR daw si Kuya. Wow, ang ganda naman na itsura ng video nila. Ay, maganda ito. Ano na? Exactly. Ito ka na lang mag-video. Na, ay, sulog na suler. Ay! Hi! Up again.
Ayun. Wait.
Ayun.
11:15 pa na.
Ano picture tayo? Sige, sige.
Hi guys. Okay, can we all let me ask you guys, since it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of you here, I'll ask you guys, who's your favorite character? Who's your favorite character? Okay, what about you, Miss?
Joey.
Joey. And you, ma'am?
Chandler.
Chandler. And you? Chandler also. You, ma'am? Chandler, both of you. What about sub-characters? Who's your favorite sub-character or your supporting characters? Naked guy. Yeah. So
Pag yung naked guy.
Mr. Heckles?
Janice.
Janice also?
Gunter.
Gunter. You love Rachel too. What about you, Miss? Jen?
Si Jen.
What about you, sir?
Marcel. Si Marcel.
There was a big number 10.
Oh my God!
Number 1.
We gotta start with the sofa, right?
Which voice is that?
And on this orange sofa, you've got your friends. Rachel, Monica, Phoebe, Joey, Chandler, and Ross. Look at them. They're hot. They're young. They're like me.
Now let me ask if she's home. Monica, are you home? Yeah, she's home now, okay? Welcome everyone to the Friends Experience, the one in Manila. Woo! Enjoy, guys. We can now get in.
Photo tickets. Let's just have that ready so we can scan the QR code to take official photos on our camera.
Ito yung script nila. OMG, episode 3 lang to. Ganito kakapal.
Ross, who was a professor, I kept him very tweedy. He had a lot of corduroys and wools and patches on his arm from Brooklyn. And I wanted him to be textural. So he was flannels, chinelo sweaters. In the pilot, I had him in a leather jacket because I wanted it to be worn and aged, but I didn't want it to be cliche. So what I ended up doing is buying an Armani sports jacket that he
Yung 18 pages, front and back. The letter.
18 pages, front and back.
One, two, three. One more ball. 1, 2, 3. Photos po.
Nakakapagod pala. Ay, hindi pa tayo. OMG, yung nalusutata nila yung mga ano nila, ulo nila. Ayun o. Yung ano, Thanksgiving. OMG, yun na. Ano yan? Ano yan? Enough mo daw.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Alright. So far, kamusta naman ang experience? Chika. True! Yan ang chika talaga. Di para talaga tayo nagkichikahan doon. OMG, ang galing na. Yeah, true. So true. So nice. Si Pagoda. For the experience. How was the experience? Ay, ito tayo. Ito pati. Okay. Bella! What happened, Bella? I know. Vampire, right? Vampire will fight to me. I have died. Rugo. Matanda na ba siya dyan? Alright, it's Gucci. Oh. Omega-3, vitamin C, char. Ah, Givenchy. Ah, uy, Rimowa, oh, yung ano, yung sosyalin na ano, pang travel. I know, right? Ay, si Gucci. Ano pa ba yung mga, uy, wow, OMG, so pretty. O, diba? Ayun yung dalawang pantakip ng ulam yan, sa lamesa, diba? Gong! Ano to? Chow Tai Fook. Oh, diba? So luxurious.
Cute mo talaga dito.
Smelly cat. Smelly
Kanta mo.
cat. Uy, Joe Malone. Ay, may couch din pala dito. Pila-pila pa tayo. Oh my God. Hindi ako pwede. Hindi ako pwede sa mga ano talaga. Uy, boss. Hindi ako pwede sa mga luxurious na lugar. Kapampangan. Maingay po talaga kami. Ganyan po talaga ang Kapampangan. Lacoste.
Sabi 15 minutes. Tignan mo. 2 hours.
2 hours pala yun. May Pandora, oh. Bangga. Samsonite. Natatawa ako yung tinatanong tayo nung una. Sino yung mga favorite character natin? Tinuturuan na lang.
May sagot siya.
Hindi naman. For experience talaga yun. Grabe siya.
So nice. I love it.
I know, right? May isda pala doon. Yes naman.
Hindi ba ano yan? Arwana?
Lukoy. Yun yung
Yung
arwana. Oo, true. Totoo kaya yun? Ang laki naman. No?
Wait, pahikim kuya.
So, nakakain pala siya. Nakakain pala.